known that a complex number is a number that can be expressed in the form a plus bi. A and b are the real numbers. I is the imaginary unit that satisfies the equation I squared is equal to negative 1. And b is the imaginary part. It is usually expressed in a pair of numbers a and b. And these complex numbers are plotted in a complex plane. The y-axis represents the imaginary part and the x-axis represents the real part. If we have a point that represents a complex number, for example, this is the point, and it is represented by a pair of complex numbers, which is this point is represented by a Cartesian complex number, which is represented by this equation. That is the Cartesian equivalent of the complex number. Okay, so for us to further analyze what is imaginary number is and what are complex numbers is, I will give you this example. Now, what do you think is the value of x that satisfies the equation? What will be the value of x that can give the function negative 9 or the equation? Now, we can notice that we have no real solution for this. Its solution will be a complex number. So if we are going to solve this, we can substitute x to be we can notice that we are now using the imaginary I for our solution. And if we are going to substitute this in our equation, negative 1 plus 3i. So we can now cancel the negative 1 and 1. This is squared, by the way. So basically 3i will be squared and it will be equals to negative 9. If we are going to simplify that, it will become 3 squared plus times I squared, which is equal to 9 times I squared will be equivalent to negative 1, which is equal to negative 9. That's how our complex numbers work. Just a simple example.